Good morning to all. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see our first example that find support reaction of a beam as shown in figure. So let's start. So here you can see a simply supported beam is there with support A and support B, and two point load is acting. One is 10 kilonewton at a distance of 1 meter from support A, and one is 12 kilonewton at a distance of 1 meter from support B, and the distance between these two point load is 2 meter. So what I will going to do, I am just going to give some notation of the at this point load also. So this is support A, this is support B, this is the point C, and this is my point D. Okay, so what I am going to do, I am going to use my equilibrium conditions. So you can see here what is there, vertical loads are there and vertical support reactions are there. So first I am going to use equilibrium condition. Summation of vertical is equal to 0. The upward load should be equal to the load coming at downward. So here you can see upward which load are going, this support A, then this is point load C, it is acting downward, point load D acting downward, and the support B acting upward. So the support reaction I am going to name it as reaction at A, RA, and this support I am going to know as reaction at B, RB. So I am supposed to find out the reaction, what is the reaction coming at this support RA and this support RB. In some of the book they are using VA, VB also, like vertical reaction at A and vertical reaction at B. You can choose any notation whatever you want. So now here upward is RA, then RB. So this RA and RB are moving upward, also they are giving the support reaction in the upward direction is equal to what is downward 10 and this load 12. So RA plus RB is equal to 10 plus 12 is equal to 22 kilonewton. So this is my equation number 1. Now see, there are two unknowns, RA is unknown, RB is unknown. So we require one another equation also. Based on that only we are going to find out, with the help of that equation only we are going to find out the value of RA and RB. So what I am going to use, I am going to use the another one equilibrium condition, that summation of all the moment is equal to 0. Now where I want the moment I can take only at the support only. So you can take all the moment at A support is equal to 0, or all the summation of moment at B support is equal to 0. You can take moment at anywhere you want, but mind it well, always take the moment at support only, not at the load. Okay, so I am taking summation of all the moment at A is equal to 0. So that means every moment will going to come at A, and that would be equal to 0 only. That in that way only it will be equilibrium. So clockwise is equal to anti-clockwise. Now what is moment? We all know that moment is equal to your load or reaction into perpendicular distance. So whenever you are taking the moment, whatever the load is there or whatever the reaction is there, you have to multiply with the perpendicular distance only, and that will form a moment. Okay, so I have present over here that clockwise is equal to anti-clockwise. Now how I will going to denote it, I can take an example by taking this compass. Okay, so I have taken summation of all the moment at A is equal to 0. So I have to make A as a center. Okay, now what I am going to do, I will start from over here and I am going to resolve every moment at A only. So I am talking about B. So this is my B. Okay, so RB into its perpendicular distance up to A. So this is the perpendicular distance, how much it is, 1 2 1 plus 2, that is 3 plus 1, 4. So total distance is 4 meter. Now in which direction RB is moving, that I am going to show you with the help of this compass. What this compass says, was this the arrow show me that I have to move upward. So I am moving in which direction, clockwise or anti-clockwise? I am moving in the anti-clockwise direction, means I have to place RB value over here. So RB into its perpendicular distance is 4 meter. Okay, now coming to the next load, that is 12. So I am moving at 12. I am keeping my compass center as A only, and this D. This arrow shows me that I have to move downward, means I am moving in a clockwise directions. Okay, so I have to put this value over here. Okay, so this value is, point load is 12 into its perpendicular distance is 2 plus 1, 3. Now coming back to next point load, that is C. Again the arrow shows me that I have to move in a clockwise direction only, so I am going to put that value over here only. So plus the intensity is 10 into perpendicular distance is 1. So this is the point load D moment, this is the point load C moment with respect to A, and this is the point load or reaction moment with respect to A. And last one, if I am calculating this A support only, this A support moment only. So suppose if I am taking RA into perpendicular distance at A is 0. So RA into 0 is 0. So this moment we cannot take, because since it becomes 0. So only there are one unknown is remaining. So 12 into 3, that is 36, plus 10 into 1, that is 10, is equal to RB into 4. 46 is equal to RB into 4. So my RB is equal to 46 by 4. The answer would be 11.5 kilonewton. So this is the value of RB. So we got RB is equal to 11.5 kilonewton. Now I will going to put, this is my equation number 2. So I will going to put this equation number 2 in equation number 1, that is RA plus RB is equal to 22. RA plus RB is equal to 22. So RA is equal to 22 minus RB, which is equal to 22 minus 11.5. The answer would be 10.5 kilonewton. So we have find out both the support reaction. RA is equal to 10.5 kilonewton and RB is equal to 11.5 kilonewton. So once again I am repeating all the steps. What the simply supported beam was given to me, 2 point load was there. I have applied the first equilibrium condition, that is upward is equal to downward. So RA plus RB I got it as 10 plus 12, that is 22 kilonewton. Then I have taken the moment. The moment you can take at any support. Either you can go with B, either you can go with A. Okay. If you can try by taking this all the summation of moment at B is equal to 0. Use this basic and try to solve it, you will get the same answer. So I have taken the moment clockwise is equal to anti-clockwise. From that I got RB is equal to 11.5 kilonewton. I have put this value in equation number 1. Okay, and I got RA is equal to 10.5 kilonewton. So this is the easiest way to solve any kind or to find out any kind of supports for any kind of beam. So if you feel again any doubt, you can contact me. I will give you my email ID at the end of this video. Okay, thank you.